Hi, my name is Kathryn, and I'm originally from Wisconsin, but I currently live in Muscat, Oman. I've been on Mark's program for about 4 months now, and I initially started because I looked in the mirror and I saw myself in pictures, and frankly, it was just like, I didn't really like what I was seeing very much. I used to be a lot fitter and stronger, and my fitness level at that point was impacting my running and scuba diving and other things that I really enjoy doing, and it was kind of crappy, and I decided it was time for a change. So one of my friends had been on Mark's program and she'd been getting really great results, so I figured, why not? I'll give it a shot. And so here I am. I've lost over 20 pounds at this point. I'm a lot fitter and stronger than I was before. My running has improved drastically. I'm able to run a lot further, and my endurance is better, and I'm running a lot faster also, so that's kind of nice. And overall, I just feel a lot better than I did before, and it's been fantastic. I would recommend Mark's program for someone who is ready to make a change and who knows that it's not going to be easy, because frankly, good things just don't come easily. And there are going to be some sacrifices, like less ice cream, less cake. Sorry. My personal least favorite thing is less pizza. That's no fun. Also less alcohol. So, you do have to cut out certain things. Well, not cut them out, but at least reduce them. But in return, you'll build fitness, you'll gain self-confidence, you'll feel better, you'll sleep better, you'll probably be happier, because believe it or not, exercise does make you happy, and you'll see results that you will love, and I think it's all done in a really great, sustainable way. So give it a shot.